it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today we're here with Jada Kingdom on the PaymentPlanRiddim. Jada on the PaymentPlanRiddim with Gen Z Jezebel. Don't know what a Gen Z is, but I know what a Jezebel is. So we're gonna jump on the here where Muma heavy officer. So let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Mama ticking up. Mom's ticking on that. Twinkle. Broke boys. Gen Z Jezebel. Round one. Ding.
Since I mean with the money, I mean with my pussy then. Can out a rich man get a bigger Benz?
Since you mean with your money, since you mean with your wallet, since you mean with the moolah, she mean with her meow, she mean with her whee, she mean with her whee, she mean with the cat.
Since I mean with the money, I mean with my pussy then. Can out a rich man get a bigger Benz? Wicked bumbo clad gal and it evident. No give a fuck, I'm a Gen Z Jezebel.
She says she don't give a F, she's a Gen Z Jezebel. That can't be good. That can't be good. Gen Z Jezebel. Shh. She a one up. She a one up them name there. She a one up them. Jada fuck dog. Jada fuck cat. Jada fuck rat. And Jada fuck bat. She a one it up. Pan the chalkboard I said no broke boys also.
Wicked bumbo clad gal and it evident. No give a fuck, I'm a Gen Z Jezebel. From you a cruff, you not authorized pan the ends. That the holy man beat him with a belt.
From your cruff, you're not authorized pan the ends. From you not make a muckle, you're not authorized. From you not make one coke a full basket, you're not authorized pan the ends. Lift up, move up. You're non-progressive. That's what she has said. Not me, of course, not me.
Bell, from you a cruff, you not authorized pan the ends. That the holy man beat him with a belt. Chat too much, you tapping eyes on me head. Uncle have girl strength.
You chat too much, man. You chat too much. You just want to beat up the girl. Hey, a baby strength you have? Eh? A girl strength you have, you know? A girl strength alone you have, man. Chat too much, man.
What do they cost a living high in a blood clot? Me can't make a boy fool me or ass. Now negotiate with you, no sir. Don't play with my money, much less me love.
Cost of living high. Cost of living is high. Yeah. Soap for wash your pum high. Perfume for smell good high. Dear car price high. Yeah. So if you're not around that, yeah, pum not around. That's what Jada said. Yeah. Blood.
Now negotiate with you, no sir. Don't play with my money, much less me love.
She said not play with her money, much less her art. But Jada, you're not giving nobody your art. So how smart if you play with your art? You're not giving nobody your art. Remember you don't say you have Jezebel in the mama.
Now negotiate with you, no sir. Don't play with my money, much less me love. Free, but good for cars. Real boss, don't take a loss.
She said, look what good for cars. So basically, when she has her things that she have, are good for gear that.
Love free, but good for cars. Real boss, don't take a loss. Don't trust the waste man that I love. Him can't finish, much less start.
He can't finish, much less start. If I'm a waste man, him not go get the chance to even look. Not even me panty color, him I go see. Can't start. Much less finish, no sir.
Don't trust the waste man that I love. Him can't finish, much less start. Love free, but good for cars. Real boss, bitch can't take a loss. Price raise, plus tax. If you don't understand that, then fuck off.
Price raise, plus tax. Things expensive. If you don't understand that, then better chuck off. That's what she said. Not me, of course not me. Of course not me, dog.
Price raise, plus tax. If you don't understand that, then fuck off. Now build no man that still no. Feed the fool, then invite me with the same mouth. The man.
You're not build no man that steal now. Feed the fool and make him bite you with the same mouth. So basically, him go bite the hand and feed him. Basically, you not take up no man when I have nothing. And then give him things. And then him end up and disrespect you. But enough girl I rather do that to man nowadays. From ever since. Enough girl I do that. Enough girl I do that.
Then fuck her. Now build no man that still no. Feed the fool, then invite me with the same mouth. Them ungrateful, nothing them not care about. But this a woman's world, it's a free playground.
Woman ungrateful too, no moms. Yeah. Woman ungrateful. Me not pick up for the man them still, but woman ungrateful too. Yeah. You just say a woman world and the world on the playground. Yeah, me understand that still. It's a woman's world. Yeah, me get it now. Me get it.
Them ungrateful, nothing them not care about. But it's a woman's world, it's a feel playground. Watch out, so when you walk me the shop, tryna look. I'll pick you with my goods. Put up your cheap wood, relax yourself, it's understood.
Put up your what? What?
Put me the shop, tryna look. I'll pick you with my goods. Put up your cheap wood, relax yourself, it's understood. Tryna break my vibes, I'm not in the fucking mood. If I beg a plan for beg, then believe me, I'm good. I'm so tired of.
If I beg a plan to beg, believe me, she good. Yeah, she good, she say. Nobody beg.
Tryna break my vibes, I'm not in the fucking mood. If I beg a plan for beg, then believe me, I'm good. I'm so tired of this bum niggas, shoulda, coulda, would. Business me I run, respect that I show. Still bougie.
A business she a run. She a tell us a pussy she a sell in a one nice way. Yes, me can sell that over here, cause that she say. I never me say so. She say, a pussy she a sell. In a one nice way. Listen what she said. Listen.
Tryna break my vibes, I'm not in the fucking mood. If I beg a plan for beg, then believe me, I'm good. I'm so tired of this bum niggas, shoulda, coulda, would. Business me I run, respect that I show. Still bougie with it, never lose. The game you a learn, I me write it, them boo. Love.
Shit, that's the game where y'all learn, brother, as she write the book. She had the teacher for the game. So what y'all say? Remember the girl them done telling from them times that free fuck her rape, you know?
I'm still bougie with it, never lose. The game you a learn, I me write it, them boo. Love free, but good focus. Real boss, not take loss. Don't trust no waste man that a last. Him can't finish, much less start. Love free, but good focus. Real boss, bitch can't take a loss. Rise, raise, plus tax. If you don't understand that, then fuck off. So since you mean with the money, me a stingy with no pussy then. Scam out a rich man, get a bigger Benz. Wicked bumbo clad gal and it's evident. Don't give a fuck, I'm a Gen Z, Jezebel. From you a cuff, you're not authorized from the ends. My and holy man beat him with a belt. Chat too much, you tap it nice on me head. Only have girl strength, I what do them? Twinkle, yeah.
Alright, I'm telling you something now. We have to respect Jada. Whether we like Jada or not, whether Jada fuck dog, Jada fuck cat, Jada fuck rat, and Jada fuck, we have to respect Jada. You know why? Jada tell you what she's about. Jada I tell you for your lifestyle what she's about. It's either you're with it or you're not with it, but at least you know. So you can't say you never know, and when you get where you get, you feel hurt. No. At least she tell us. So we have to respect Jada. Jada, big up yourself. Yeah. From your cruff, you're not authorized on the ends. Lift up, move. Go away one side. Yeah. You see me? So, Jada are telling you what she's about. It's either on are with it or are not with it. Big up yourself, Jada. You look good. Twinkle. You tick. Yeah, Gen Z Jezebel. Big up yourself. I say so, I mean. Big up yourself. Yeah, what am I say? Big up yourself. Anyway, Russian, big up yourself, big up production team. Jizzle, shoot it. Jizzle shoot the video. Let me see it tonight. I think. I can't even see it. I think Jizzle said at the start of this video now. No, nowhere never. Big up yourself, nowhere never. We don't know. But anyway, this is what I want to see. If you enjoyed, I want to see more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.